Hello everyone, this is Sanjit Kumar Singh, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bandar East. So in this presentation, we are taking up the two more component of the thyristor family device, that is power MOSFET and IGBT, and we will be studying with respect to construction, operating principle, VI characteristics and applications of it. Course outcome is to identify power electronic devices in the circuits. So here is the first device, a power MOSFET. Pa- Power MOSFET is a metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor that makes use of the field effect and MOS technology in it. It has three terminals: drain, source, and gate. It is voltage control device, and control voltage will be given from the gate. And it is unipolar, that is majority carrier device. The control signal required is lesser than that of the BJT, and this is due to the gate circuit impedance is extremely high, and it could be of the order 10 raised to 9 ohms. So since the impedance is extremely high, it can be driven directly from microelectronic circuits, and there is no problem of secondary breakdown like in the power BJT. Applications of power MOSFET is in low power high frequency converters. So when we need to turn on and turn off at a higher frequency, at higher operating frequency, then we can make use of power MOSFET. Types of it, types of power MOSFET. Here we can see two types: N channel and P channel. N channel is more frequently used because it has higher mobility of electrons. Down here we see the uh, a power MOSFET N channel, vertically diffused MOS power MOSFET it is, and the biasing that is provided is drain is made positive with respect to the source, and gate is also positive with respect to the source. So due to this gate positive, there is a creation of electrons, or electrons get attracted to positive of the plate, and down here we have the positive ions, and down here in the P layer we find there is electrons concentrated, and thus getting an N channel for this main current or the device current to flow through it, and that's why it is called N channel. Creation of this N channel is taking place. And the layers we find, it is the main substrate is N plus layer, and N minus is the drift region layer, and P is the body. VI characteristics of power MOSFET, we are interested more in the output characteristics of the power MOSFET, which will be drawn with respect to uh, ID current is drawn against the VDS, drain to source voltage. So when this drain to source voltage is increased, the current initially, ID current initially increases in the ohmic region, and beyond this ohmic region the current is more or less constant till the forward breakover voltage is reached. So when the VGS value, the gate source voltage, getting signal voltage is less, then the device remains in the off state, cut off state. And as we increase the VGS getting source voltage, then we get more ID current, drain current for the different VGS value, as VGS 5 greater than VGS 4 and greater than VGS 3. So drain current increases proportionally and remains constant for the active region. Beyond this ohmic region, where the current is, ID current is increasing, and thereafter it becomes constant, is called the active region. This is the active region. Then the transfer characteristics is drawn between the, along y-axis we take the ID current, drain current, and with respect to the gate source voltage we note down the response. Here we have Infineon company power MOSFET IRFP 240 MOSFET, that is 200 volt rated, 20 ampere rating, N channel power MOSFET, packaging type TO247. So for the applications of it, since the on resistance of MOSFET increase with the voltage rating, hence it is lossy, but has PTC, positive temperature coefficient, and parallel operation is easier, and PTC also reduces the second breakdown effect. So therefore there won't be any secondary breakdown like the power BJT. High frequency switching applications, power MOSFET is suitable. Linear power supplies make use of power MOSFET, then switching power supplies like SMPS and inverters, DC to DC converters make use of power MOSFET, and low voltage motor control will use this power device, power MOSFET. The voltage rating and current rating, we find 500 volt and 140 ampere are available in the market. So that was about the power MOSFET. Now let's see the second type, IGBT. IGBT stands for the insulated gate bipolar transistor, and it combines the best qualities of both the power BJT and the power MOSFET. The power MOSFET has the best quality of high input impedance, that could be already we saw 10 raised to 9 ohms, and whereas BJT has a low on state power loss. So these two best qualities are combined, taken into IGBT. So moreover, it is voltage control like the P MOSFET, and there is no secondary breakdown problem in the BJT as in the BJT, and IGBT is also called by other names like the MOSIGT, that is metal oxide insulated gate transistor, or conductively modulated field effect transistor, COMFET, or it is also called gain modulated FET, GEMFET. Initially it was called the insulated gate transistor, IGT. So here we see the symbolic representation in which we find the input side here is gate structure that of MOSFET, and here it is transistor like BJT, with the terminal marked as collector, gate, and emitter. It could be also marked as drain and source here, and this as gate terminal. This is the equivalent circuit of this schematic IGBT. So this is the MOSFET with the transistor. Here is one of the IGBT, FGA15N 120 IGBT, with first terminal as the gate, second as the collector, and third as the emitter terminal. And there are some IGBTs manufactured with a freewheeling diode connected across the collector emitter for additional advantages. Now the construction and working of IGBT. Basic structure, it is vertically mounted or fabricated, generally vertically oriented, and very much similar to that of the power MOSFET, except the difference we find here is the body doping, except the P layer. This body layer is same level of doping except this P layer, and moreover there is N plus layer substrate is substituted with P plus layer. In power MOSFET it was N plus layer as the substrate, here it is P plus layer. That is the difference with respect to power MOSFET. And this is one of the cell. There could be thousands of such cell in that on a single chip of silicon like power MOSFET, and it can be manufactured with highly interdigitated gate source structure to avoid the source emitter current crowding. So better efficiency of the collector current, emitter current. P plus layer, here we have the P plus layer, that is called the injection layer, as it injects holes into the N minus layer. Second layer, N minus layer, is called the drift layer, and its thickness will determine the reverse blocking capacity. And accommodates the depletion layer. This is also the depletion layer for the p-n junction J2. And then we find here the p layer, that is the body region of the IGBT. Here is the gate terminal and number of emitter terminals. So the collector is made positive with respect to the emitter and gate is positive with respect to the emitter. This is the biasing used. Types of IGBT will depend upon the n plus buffer layer. It is present or not present between p plus and n minus layer. This buffer layer sometimes will be present. If it is present, then it is called punch through or asymmetric IGBT, and if not present, then it is non punch through or symmetric IGBT. So the presence of n plus buffer layer, where it will be here, the yellow shaded portion is the n plus buffer layer. If it is present, then it is punch through, and if not present, then it is non punch through. So what is the advantage of this n plus layer or buffer layer? It will reduce the on state voltage drop and shorter turn of time. That is the advantage. These two are the advantage, and one drawback, major drawback, is that it will reduce the reverse blocking capacity. So since the thickness of the drift layer is reduced with the insertion of this n plus layer or buffer layer, then its reverse blocking capacity is reduced further. So we find that the IGBT is a vertically oriented structure to maximize the area for the current flow, and therefore it will have less resistance in the structure of it, and therefore reduced on state power loss. Lesser loss will be experienced. And IGBT, as stated earlier, is a voltage control device. Getting signal will be voltage controlled with an insulated gate. So gate is insulated. Here we find Mitsubishi IGBT modules. So here we see the three metallic structure. These are the nothing but the two IGBTs interconnected, and terminals are provided, and gating terminals are provided here. In each we find two IGBTs. This is one of the packaging. Now the IV characteristics of IGBT. IV characteristics can be plotted with respect to the VG or VG versus IC collector current. That will be the input characteristics of IGBT, and it will be similar to that of the power MOSFET. So in power MOSFET we have seen it is having a knee voltage here, and then it will increase proportionally. Second characteristics is the output characteristics, and we find that as the VG gate emitter voltage is kept constant and IC is noted, so this is the saturation region, and in active region the current is more or less some extent it is extending or increasing, but in the IC current is in the same layer. So here it is the cutoff region, means the device will remain in the off state, and when we increase the VGE, then we get the IGBT turned on. So this characteristics is similar to that of the power BJT. So that's why we said it has the qualities of best qualities of power MOSFET and power BJT. So here this circuit or representation shows that it combines the power MOSFET and BJT into IGBT characteristics. What are the applications of IGBT? AC and DC motor drives, unregulated power supply, UPS, switch mode, SMPS, then inverters. They used to combine isolated gate FET for control input and bipolar transistor as a switch in a single device, etc. There are many applications. Thank you very much.